So today I went into two coin shops, bullion shops, and one specialized in specialized coins. The second specialized in bullion, for example. And today's video is I wanted to talk about, can you actually go in and just buy one coin in Cyprus, for example? Now, if you're a beginner, maybe you want to start off with buying just one coin, for example, rather than, multiple coins. So today's video, I'm going to talk about my experience and what I actually came out with from purchasing the bullion, for example. But I'm going to go into, first of all, when I went into shop number one, there was no way for me to do any filming or photography, understandably. So I did some videos when I was walking outside after I'd come out of the shops, for example. And this is in Cyprus, in Paphos. Lovely, lovely town, in an old town. It's called Old Paphos. The beautiful experience I had from both shops were truly amazing. The first shop that I went into, for example, they were able to show me all the different coins that they have, collectible coins, as well as bullion coins, silver coins, as well as gold coins. I was interested in the silver coins to begin with because that is what I'm stacking at the moment. But I'm also aware that gold is going up, so I'm now looking at the gold coins. The shop dealer showed me the smaller coins, which was 733 grams, for example. Then there was half an ounce coin, and then there was the 1 ounce gold coin. You'll see a photo of the gold coins that I was looking at. The first one, which was 733 grams, was about 700 euros. Then there was the half ounce, which was 1,500 euros to purchase the gold coin. I'm referring to bullion coins here. The third coin was a gold 1 ounce coin. I was able to purchase for 3,000 euros. Absolutely beautiful coins. All of them were beautiful. So that was my first experience. And also what was so fascinating when I was in the shop there, the gentleman, because I said to him, what made you go into, opening your own shop as a dealer? Do you prefer collector's coins or do you prefer bullion coins? And he said, I prefer collector's coins because it's something that I've done since I was a little boy. For example, very interested in collector's coins. It's a hobby he enjoys very much. I could see his passion was in that. He had a massive book about the different types of coins that he has, for example, and also for his references, for example. So he, like I said, he was able to open up the vault and show me the gold coins that he had as well. And the weight, as you was holding the different sizes, starting off with the small size, which was the 733 gram size, it had a weight to it, but wasn't heavy. When you got to the half ounce gold coin, you could feel the weight was more. And then the 1 ounce coin, the weight was heavy and it had Queen Elizabeth on all of them. The 1 ounce gold coin was heavy. You could feel the weight. And another thing which I was also looking at was the silver coins as well. The silver coin was heavy, the 1 ounce coin, for example. That was one of the shops that I went into in Paphos, for example. The second shop that I went into, am I able to purchase one coin at a time? Their rules were a bit stricter. You would have to book an appointment, for example, and it's more private. So it is closed doors, for example. You're in a smaller room and then they bring out the items for you to look at from the vault. There's a catalogue as well, but it's more exclusive. They said I wouldn't be able to purchase one silver coin. I would have to purchase a tube of 10 coins, for example, in order to purchase their silver coins, for example. Now, the ambiance was very good, very friendly people. Both shops were very friendly, but they all had different personalities. So with the second bullion shop that I went into, the difference there was that I wasn't able to purchase just one coin. I had to buy in 10 bullion coins. With the first shop, I could just purchase one silver coin. However, he did have gold coins as well. Both of the experiences were absolutely amazing, and I came out of there really wanting to buy everything. It's like when you go shopping and you see something you like, you want everything, you know? That's the feeling I had in store one as well as store two. Store one was more open, store two was more in a smaller environment. It was more private, it was very exclusive, for example. So that was the feeling as well. And I also was walking around and I saw, you know, I had a coffee, a latte. You'll see the video of the latte. It was beautiful, it was delicious, for example. And I also saw that there was an art exhibition, and I walked into the art exhibition. This is the lady that actually does the art all by herself, takes her months to do, and it's truly amazing, truly amazing. She does art courses as well. Absolutely beautiful paintings that actually look like wood, but it wasn't wood. It was literally on canvas, and the time and effort, some of them took her 5-6 months to make. One image, one photo. But you know what was so beautiful? When I walked in, and you'll see a video, it is here, for example, I felt peace, I felt tranquility, I felt love, I felt peace, and I also felt connected with the paintings. And I wanted to really buy all of them as well, but there was a couple that really stood out for me, and you'll see in this video here. So if you do get a chance to come to Paphos, do visit this art shop. She's got an exhibition in May. The story behind it is truly amazing, because I think when you're doing gold coins and silver coins, etc., if you're a woman of my age, you look at these types of things as well, that's going to enhance and make you feel good. And her personality was amazing. You just felt this good energy from her. She's been through a lot of hurt, for example, and I'll let you go to her website. I will put a link here for you to check out her website as well. She does commissioned pictures, art for you as well. But going back to that story of which coin did I buy, at the end, I bought a silver coin. And this was the very first coin that I got, because it is my logo. Can you see my t-shirt here, the logo? Well, this is why I was attracted to this one, because it really is what I stand for. And that's the first coin, and the reason why I purchased this coin. I purchased it for 35 euros, and then when I brought it home, I checked to see what it was valued at, and it was valued at between $40 to $60. This is a mint bullion silver coin. So that is my story of me going out today looking for gold and silver coins, so that I can help build my stack and also build my legacy and my semi-retirement, building towards that. and growing my wealth in that way. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. You'll see the videos of me out and about, but also you'll also see the videos of me having a latte, as well as the videos of me going into the art exhibition. I still like gold and silver. Like I said, 1 month I'll get gold, 1 month I will get silver. So that's why I was looking around the shops today to decide which one I was going to get, for example. So what is your preference? Is your preference gold? Is your preference silver? Do you prefer to buy tubes of silver coins, or do you like to buy them one by one? Or do you prefer gold or collectible coins that will add value? Now, I'm all about the long term. I'm here for a 5-10 year build, and that's why I am stacking the way I am for my retirement. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Do like and subscribe. Join me for the next video. I'd love for you to join me in the next video. Let me know in the comments whether you are stacking currently or you're a beginner starting off with silver or gold, because as you know, the prices are going up for gold and silver. Stay tuned, get up to date, and like I said, start buying more gold and silver if you can afford to do so. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Take care. Thank you. Bye.